Today we are showcasing compass features and accessories. The lead and needle is removable and replaceable. Compass has double brake legs. To remove leg for adding attachments, turn knob to loosen leg. Attach the extension arm by making sure the notch in the arm goes around the tightening screw. When attaching accessories to the extension arm, loosen the knob and align the notch with the tightening screw like before. Shown is one style of universal adapter. Make sure to tighten knob before using accessory. Shown is one style of universal adapter. Some compasses come with ruling pins, and they can be attached directly to the leg of the compass. Any style of universal adapter can also be directly attached to the leg. And there you have it. There are the features of the compass and the accessories.